Looking for a smarter, faster, and cleaner way to take care of your home? Let's talk about the D100 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful two-in-one cleaning solution that combines vacuuming and mopping in one easy-to-use device. This isn't just another basic floor vacuum. It's a modern cleaning tool built for real homes, real families, and real messes. Let's begin with the design. At just 4.29 kilograms, the D100 is extremely lightweight, making it ideal for anyone, whether you're a busy parent, a senior, or someone living in a multi-floor home. You don't have to strain your back or wrists while cleaning. The vacuum features an ergonomic float handle, specially designed to feel weightless during use, greatly reducing wrist strain. That alone can make a huge difference, especially if you're used to dragging around heavy vacuums. Now let's talk flexibility. With the D100, cleaning under low furniture is no longer a chore. Thanks to the 180-degree lie-flat cleaning mechanism, this vacuum can fully recline, allowing you to easily clean under couches, beds, tables, and cabinets. No need to bend awkwardly or move heavy furniture. It just slides right under. The overall design is also sleek and compact, making it easy to store. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, this vacuum fits right into your lifestyle without taking up unnecessary space. Next, let's explore the cleaning performance. This vacuum is equipped with a powerful 17,000 Pascal suction motor, which provides strong, consistent suction across hard floors. Whether it's dust, pet hair, food crumbs, or even small liquid spills, the D100 handles it all with ease. And here's where things get even better. It doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. That's right. Thanks to its dual tank system, the D100 uses clean water from one tank, while collecting dirty water in a separate tank. You get a hygienic clean every time, without spreading dirty water back on the floor. The clean tank holds 650 milliliters, while the dirty tank holds 700 milliliters, which is enough for everyday home cleaning, without needing constant refills or emptying. And when you're done, the self-cleaning brush roll takes over. It automatically rinses itself using clean water from the tank. No more pulling out tangled hair or rinsing the brush manually. This saves time, avoids mess, and keeps the vacuum ready for the next use. Now, how long can you use it? The D100 provides up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime, more than enough for most homes. It runs on a 6-cell, 3,000 milliamp hours lithium-ion battery, and takes around 4 hours to fully recharge. It also comes with a push-in docking station that not only charges but neatly stores the device as well. No wall damage, no messy wires. Let's look at the covered capacity. This vacuum can clean up to 1,936 square feet in a single session. That makes it ideal for small apartments, medium-sized homes, or even larger one-story layouts. Worried about settings or controls? Don't be. The D100 features a user-friendly LED display panel. It shows key info like battery level, cleaning mode, and system alerts at a glance, so you're never left guessing. Whether you're switching from vacuum to mop mode or checking battery life mid-clean, it's all clearly visible. Now let's talk about what happens after you buy the product. Because customer experience matters. Shipping is fast and free, and you can expect your vacuum to arrive within 3 to 5 business days. Every order comes with tracking, so you can follow your delivery from warehouse to doorstep. Plus, there's a 30-day return policy. If you're not satisfied with the product for any reason, you can send it back. No stress, no hassle. Their dedicated customer support team is also available to help with any product inquiries, return assistance, or troubleshooting needs. That's peace of mind before and after your purchase. So, let's do a quick recap on why the D100 is a smart investment. Whitehead E-Check Mark II in one vacuum and mop. Tackle dry dirt and wet messes in one go. Whitehead E-Check Mark lightweight and ergonomic. Easy to carry, easy on your wrists. Whitehead E-Check Mark 180 degrees lay-flat cleaning. Reach under furniture without effort. Whitehead E-Check Mark dual tank hygiene system. Separate clean and dirty water for true hygiene. Whitehead E-Check Mark powerful suction. 17,000 pascals lifts even stubborn messes. Whitehead E-Check Mark self-cleaning brush roll. Always ready for the next use. Whitehead E-Check Mark long battery life. 35 minutes of runtime with quick recharge. White heavy checkmark smart display. LED screen keeps you informed while cleaning. White heavy checkmark compact storage. Push-in docking station for tidy organization. White heavy checkmark free shipping plus 30-day returns. Risk-free buying experience. Whether you're a parent managing kids and pets, someone with allergies who needs clean floors every day, or just someone who wants to make cleaning faster and easier, the D100 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner delivers performance, efficiency, and convenience in one powerful package. This isn't just an upgrade from your old vacuum. It's a total cleaning solution. So if you're ready to simplify your routine and enjoy cleaner, fresher floors with less effort, give the D100 a try. Your home and your back will thank you